Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix application not downloading on your iPhone or iPad on iOS 15. So guys, if you are trying to install the free apps from the App Store, it's stuck on loading or something like that, you can't install the apps on iPad or iPhone. So let's just start the video. Let's fix this issue. So first of all, open your iPhone setting, then click on your Apple ID username on the top, then click on media and purchases, then click on sign out. After the sign out, guys, open your App Store and make sure that Apple ID is signed out from the App Store. So let's make sure it. So now as you can see, Apple ID is signed out. Now open the setting again. Then guys, simply scroll down, click on screen time, then click on app limits. And as you can see, if you have set the limit on the App Store, just click on it and delete the app limit from here. You can just permanently disable the app limit. Then after this, guys, you can turn off the screen time permanently if you want to. Then the next step is, guys, go to the Wi-Fi, click on forget the network, then turn off the Wi-Fi, then close the setting. Now open the setting again, then simply scroll down, click on general, click on language and region. Now guys, click on the region and change the region where are you living. So for example, if you are living in the United Kingdom and you have selected the United States, you need to select the United Kingdom again. So after this, guys, go to the general again and click on the date and time, then turn off the set automatically, then click on time zone and select the city where are you living right now, then set the date and time correct, turn off the 24-hour time, then close the setting. Now guys, simply open the setting again and go to the Wi-Fi. Now join the Wi-Fi network. Now when you are connected to the Wi-Fi, simply go to your Apple ID again and click on media and purchases, then click on continue. Now your Apple ID is signing to the App Store again. Now close the setting and go to the App Store and try to download any free apps and you will not get this error. So you can download it from here. So guys, if you have the still problem, you cannot download the apps, the last step is you are going to do, go to the setting, click on general, click on transfer reset or iPhone or iPad, then click on reset all setting. You won't lose any data. Go ahead and reset your iPad and your problem will be solved. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.